Hi students, problem number 9. Which of the following uses more energy? First one is 250 watt TV set in 1 hour. B is 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. So, we are going to use the expression relating energy, power and time taken. So, power is equal to energy by time we have studied. Rate of energy is called as power. Therefore, energy must be equal to what? Power into time. So, I will write power, okay? Power is equal to energy divided by time. So, this implies what? P is equal to E divided by T, or E is equal to P into T. So, the first case, what is the power you see here in the first case? So, this implies in the first case, energy E1, let us take E1 is equal to P1 into T1. So, this is the power is 250 watt. So, 250 watt into 1 hour. So, this is equal to 250 watt hour. 250 watt hour. Suppose if you divide this by 1000 means, you can express the same in kilowatt hour. So, this is also equal to 0.25 kilowatt hour. Okay. Now for the second case, okay, B. Here energy E2 must be equal to power P2 into time T2. So this is, what is the power is 1200. So this is 1200 watt into 10 minutes. Okay, first I will substitute as given here. So this is also equal to 1200 watt into 10 minutes. 10 minutes is how many hour it is? We have to divide by what? We have to divide it by 60. Is it not? So this is 10 divided by 60 hour. So this is now equal to, this is equal to 1200 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. So 6 2s are 12. So this is equal to 200. Okay. So this is a 200 watt hour. Now if you divide this 200 watt hour by 1000 means we get in what? Kilowatt hour. So this must be what? 200 by 1000 is 0.20 kilowatt hour. So first you see that E1 is 0.25, but E2 is 0.20 only. So what is asked here? Which of the following uses more energy? More energy is the first case, is it not? So E1 is greater than E2. Understand? Therefore, TV set, okay, TV set, therefore, TV set uses more energy. Very simple problem it is. But the moment some students will look at the number and guess wrongly, because this power of the TV set is only 200 watt. And the power of the toaster is 1200. So it must consume more energy, like that they may think. But the time also is very important factor here. I hope this problem is easy. Okay. Now the 10th sum. An electric kettle connected to 230 volt mains supply draws a current of 10 ampere. Okay. Now we have to calculate. First, the power of the kettle, and second, the energy transferred in 1 minute. Understand? Okay. Now the first subdivision. Okay. For the first subdivision, V is equal to 230 volt. So V is equal to 230 volt, and the current is given as 10 ampere. So current is equal to 10 ampere. So what is the power of the kettle is asked, isn't it? So power P is now equal to voltage into current. Voltage into current. So this is equal to voltage is 230 multiplied by current is 10. So that this is equal to 2300 watt. Is it not? Very simple numbers are given. Okay. The power of the kettle we have found. What is the second subdivision? We have to find the energy transferred in 1 minute. So for this B, the energy transferred in 1 minute, okay, energy E is equal to, just now we used the expression, is it not, power is equal to energy by time, or energy is equal to power into time. So E is equal to P into T. So for the power P we are substituting 2300 watt into, now 1 minute is given, is it not? 1 minute. Here you have to convert it into hour. Understand? 1 minute is 1/60th of a hour. So this is 1/60 hour. Okay. So that this is now equal to 230 divided by 6. So 230 divided by 6 watt hour. This is one way. Sometimes in the multiple choice, the same question may be asked, what is the energy in joule also? Joule also they will ask, understand. So if like this, the energy transferred in 1 minute means the children will be under confusion. Better both I am going to determine. Understand? One in watt hour I have determined that. So in joule again, okay, in joule energy is also equal to 230. Okay, this is watt also is denoted as what? Joule per second. Watt can also be written as what? Joule by second. Into this 1 minute also can be written as what? 60 second. So that this second and second get cancelled. So that it is 2300 into 60. Understand? So if I multiply 23 into 6, 138. So this is 138 followed by 3 zeros. 3 zeros. Joule. Both I have written. The energy in watt hour also I have written. The energy in joule also I have written. Now if you want to express in kilojoule. Kilojoule means you have to divide this by 1000. So this can also be written as 138 kilojoule. So in the multiple choice question, sometimes they may ask either in watt hour or in joule or in kilojoule. So you have to be very cautious about the units. I hope you must have understood these two problems. Fine.